Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Ellie from The Last of Us in Dress to Impress. Removing everything except for the ones I did adjustments on. So for the hair, I use this hair in this color for both. I did not do any adjustments for this one. Then for this one, I did no bangs, colored this the same, Y.47, Z.53, and scaled it to 0.27. For this hair, I did only bangs in that same color. Positioned the Y.47, Y.56, Z.61, and scaled it to 0.47. Then for the outfit, it's pretty simple. I'm going to get this outfit in the third toggle in denim. I'm just going to color it like this gray color. And then I am going to use this shirt in dirty. I'm going to color it this color, and then I'm going to color it like a brown. Get this shirt and then color it the same. For the pants, I just use this in this color, 514E48. For the shoes, I used this one in like this grayish. It's like a little bit distressed and dirty. It's not super like black. Actually, I used this one. Sorry, I used this one, and then I used the rest for the white. Actually, I used 2 and 3, the same one, and then 1 and 4, that same white color. And then I'm just going to get this backpack, and I'm just going to color it this gray, just a little bit darker for all of it. And then you can use a gun for the prop, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. I forgot one thing. The arms, just do that and use the tattoo pattern, because she does have tattoo on her arms. Unfortunately, I can't just put it on one arm, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.